darkest of days, sometimes we find out who we are. Be the change or hit the bottom, hit it hard. We have a choice, yeah, we can take the power away and turn it into something to believe in. Believe it, it's up to you. It's up to you. Voices rising like a church choir, light it up like a wildfire, sending these dreams higher and higher and higher till they come to life. Tired of feeling like an outsider, made to believe I was an outlier. I'm not the only one who's inspired. We're gonna turn these dreams into an empire, empire. The pain into an empire, empire. The rage into an empire, empire. We're gonna build it up, gonna build it up, empire. Won't see us walking away, 'cause now we made it this far. We ain't ashamed of who we are. We made a choice, this army's here to stay. And trust me, this is something to believe in. Achieve it, it's up to you. It's up to you. Voices rising like a church choir, light it up like a wildfire, sending these dreams higher and higher and higher till they come to life. Tired of feeling like an outsider, made to believe I was an outlier. I'm not the only one who's inspired. We're gonna turn these dreams into an empire, empire. The pain into an empire, empire. The rage into an empire, empire. We're gonna build it up, gonna build it up, empire. This is it, it's our time to rise up. No one can stop us. Brick by brick we'll break this wall that's closing in on us. In this moment now, we're proud and we're free and we're brave. Voices rising like